What's up, guys? Hope you guys are having a good day. Don't mind my room right now. I got a little behind the scenes, guys. Just recorded my little hook video for my series videos. My room is such a mess, but over here we're transparent as possible, so kind of just gonna leave it how it is. But yeah, guys. Hopefully you guys are liking these series videos, and I like, honestly, this is like a really good for me because it's like I'm able to look back. So typically when I'm done trading, I'm like done for the day. Like I don't even look at the charts. So being able to make these videos is pretty cool because I'm like watching myself explain the trades I took today, and it's like gonna help me kind of limit my losses and like learn from my mistakes, which is pretty cool. So yeah, let's kind of get right into it, I guess. So first trade I took today that I want to go over is going to be the RXRX. Made about 806 on this today. Another one, J Blue. This is the 234. And then I guess we'll go over to the rig. Rig was pretty good as well. And I guess I'll go over one of my losses too. So we got RXRX, J Blue, rig, and Fubo. Yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. All right, guys. So first trade we're going to go over is the RXRX. We're going to go over the J Blue. And then we're going to go over the rig. Nice little rig. So these are my three winners, and I'll show you guys my biggest loser today. But yeah, let's kind of get right into it. So if you guys have been watching the previous videos, you guys will know this RXRX I've pretty much been watching this whole week. Daily chart, obviously very, very, very volatile. So I've been trading this very aggressively. This morning, I actually was not making anything on it. Yesterday, I lost 2,000 on it in the morning. Came back on the day in the afternoon. Same thing kind of happened today. I didn't really make anything in the morning. Afternoon, you guys could see. I ended up rallying kind of lower. So, again, this is the Qs. Like, the Qs have been insane recently. I don't even know how to explain the market, but the market has been very, very interesting. You guys can see on the daily. On last Friday, every single day this week has just been a bunch of chops. So, literally, market's been doing some crazy numbers. This is all day, guys. Market pretty much dropped all day. So, anyways, on this little pop area, this is when I pretty much made most of my money. I think I was literally around break even at like 3 o'clock. So, I ended up making pretty much my whole P&L in the afternoon. So, without further ado, let's kind of get into exactly what I did. So, you guys could see on this drop down, guys, I pretty much played this RXRX. Like I said, I was trying it as a scalp this morning. Wasn't working. It was too crazy, too flippy. But I kind of had this on my watch list, obviously, for the past couple of days. And on the 15-minute chart, guys, I saw it was kind of forming like a breakdown. And honestly, I love breakdowns. I love breakouts. So there's like probably one of my favorites to trade. And I pretty much under 644 is when I made most of my money on this, guys. This thing ended up dropping. And I got a little bit of an early entry, so I got it around 650 and ended up dropping all the way down to 625. So I didn't hold size that whole way, but I was able to capitalize, especially on this big move. I think I made around 500 or 600 on this just move alone. So once it did that, I kind of played it a little bit as it was continuing lower, trying to get in and get some profits, and then pretty much made 806 on it. So like I said, I barely made anything all morning. I couldn't do anything. It's too crazy. These candles look so like big and like they look almost easy to play because they're very wide, but it was hard today. It was very, very volatile and moving fast. J Blue is another one with market, guys. Market kept going. Like I said, you guys can see on the little watch list over here. Market started to pump a little bit in the last hour. Pretty much someone called it out in the Discord, and I took this J Blue for a few cents. So I literally caught this whole move up to 78. Small size, but still made 234 bucks on it. Hopefully the screen share is clear. I'm hoping. Guys, let me know in the comments if it's not clear. I might have to do some adjusting. Let me move this over. I don't know if that's gonna do anything, but then we got the rig, guys. The rig also was a scalp that someone called out in the afternoon. I actually caught this move lower. So I didn't really make much on the actual. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys can't see the chart. I have another chart right next to that, so I'll do everything over here. Pull up the 1 minute. So this wasn't a gap play. This was just a scalp someone called out as well. And it pretty much moved lower right here. So I caught, I think, maybe 2 cents on this. Made about $100 on it, so not bad. So now I want to go over my biggest loser today, which was the Fubo. So, honestly, this is kind of my fault. This was like a scalp play, and I didn't really try it. I didn't really, I guess you could say back test. I never really use that word. I've never back tested, which is pretty interesting. I feel like I feel like a lot of futures traders and everyone like all back test their strategies and stuff. Never had to, honestly, which is good. So, I never back tested, or also known as I never tried to even trade this stock today before. So I got in really aggressive off the start, which I probably shouldn't have. So typically in a good case scenario, you want to obviously get in very small size originally to make sure that stock is working. And for me, I just got really greedy and got in pretty decent size, and it flipped on me, and I ended up losing $160 in probably 5 seconds. So yeah, that was my biggest loss. I don't remember when I took it. I think I just took it randomly throughout the day. It was sometime in the afternoon. I think someone called it. I think it worked, and then I didn't take profits right away, and then it flipped on me. So lesson learned, get in small size. This loss should have been like a paper cut, like a $40 loss at max, and it would have never been this big of an issue. But overall, not bad P&L for the day. I will take it, and I'm definitely happy with the result. Like I said, guys, $830 on the day, and we're kind of rolling this week. We're up nicely. We're up what? Let me see, 30, 36, around $4,500 I think on the week. So definitely not bad. We still have tomorrow to trade. I'm actually very excited. I feel like I trade the best on Fridays. So yeah, I'm definitely happy with the result today. No, I could have traded better, like I said, with those mistakes. I'm getting added to a FaceTime right now. Jeez. But yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in a little bit. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.